Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, I'll be sharing two landscape stone painting designs. I already have three more stone painting videos on my channel and it seems that you guys love it. I also love to do stone painting. So let's get started. First, I'm painting white base on my stone so that lighter colors can also show up nicely. Once the white paint has dried, we can start with the design. So for this one, I'm trying to make a door and a tree kind of a scene. So there's not much to say, we can watch it together. Enjoy! Once I'm done painting the stone, I'll let this dry completely before sealing the paints. Now let's move on to the second stone. For the second one, I'm trying to make a sea beach kind of a design. So I'm dividing my stone in three parts: land, water and sky. And here also there's nothing much to say. So enjoy the painting. Now I'll let this paint dry completely and then I'll add a layer of Mod Podge to seal the paint, and also it will add a shine to the stone. Apply generous amount of Mod Podge on all the painted areas. Don't worry about layering it because it will dry clear and it will make our painting durable and long lasting. Don't forget to clean your painting brush after applying Mod Podge, otherwise the Mod Podge will make the bristles very hard and it will ruin your brush. And once the Mod Podge is dried, the stones will look like this. I hope you like this video. Hit that like button, please, 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 if you do. And you can also tell me your queries or requests in the comment section below. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. It will mean a lot to me to grow my channel. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Please subscribe.